Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity that has been given. Introduce, my name is Amanda Lidisaristiali. Here I will present about the tourism industry. Tourism industry. Indonesia is one of the countries that has a very large area, large from island Sabang to Merauke, and is an archipelagic country that has more of 17,000 islands. Condition is powerful alone for the travel foreign local. Riches nature owned by Indonesia becomes potential in the present or in the future come. Potentially this called seen from beauty, the island that stretches from west and to an east. Beauty natural beyond superiority specifically to Indonesia maritime has a coastline longest in the world. State they have room for all stakeholders in Indonesia to strive score add in industry tourism. Increased quality in industry tourism be one challenge for government, private or society in Indonesia. This thing could seen from Indonesia's ranking in Southeast Asia, which occupies the fourth place World Economic Forum 2016. Indonesia's ranking is still lost compared with Singapore, Thailand, and Malaysia. Indonesia has law number 10 of 2009 concerning tourism, with its government have tools for apply policy related development industry tourism. On the other hand, Indonesia has superiority from another country if seen as a comparative advantage. A number of example destination area object frequent tours. Visit tourists local or international, namely Bali, Lombok, Bunaken, or Raja Ampat. The area is the place favorite for tourists who come to Indonesia. Development of tourism in Indonesia. Development Indonesia tourism has experienced enhancement from year to year. This thing of course becomes performance of government and parties who have contributed in strict development in the field of tourism. Effort development tourism that has carried out by the Indonesia government, of course motivated by things that later becomes challenge and opportunities that must be faced. In 2019, tourists overseas enter to our country. This keep going increase every year. Amount visit has exist in 2019 with amount incoming tourists to Indonesia by 16,001,954 tourists. Effort diplomacy carried out by Indonesia in increase Indonesia tourism in the international world. This aim for promote potential Indonesia tourism to public international. That is not only carried out by the government only, but also various those who participate as well as participate in promote Indonesia tourism, such as institution, private sector, entrepreneurs, media, community, academic, until citizen as individual. Diplomacy divided into namely number one, soft diplomacy is diplomacy informed solution by peace in field culture, language, friendship, economy, and etc. Number two, hard diplomacy is diplomacy informed war, that is aggression, military, and political. Relevant theory in discussion, problem in study. This is theory diplomacy culture. Diplomacy culture is part from soft diplomacy, who can interpret it as effort a country for fight for international through dimension culture. Wonderful Indonesia. At the turn year 2011, the Minister of Culture and Tourism of Indonesia, Jero Wacik, announced changing the Indonesia tourism brand from Visit Indonesia to Wonderful Indonesia. This brand change conducted with reason for strengthen image Indonesia tourism, where tourists overseas not only invited for visit to Indonesia, but also treated by the potential Indonesia tourism is amazing. Brand Wonderful Indonesia rated more attractive describe Indonesia. Wonderful Indonesia launched by official for the first time by the Minister of Culture and Tourism of Indonesia at the ASEAN Tourism Minister Forum on 17-18 January 2011 in Cambodia. In launched this brand Wonderful Indonesia, Indonesia focused into the promotion to overseas focus target to 16 countries and regions. Marketing market the covering major markets including Singapore, Malaysia, and Australia. Secondary or primary market namely China, Japan, South Korea, Philippines, Taiwan, USA, UK, and France, as well as potential markets namely India, the Netherlands, the Middle East, Germany, and Russia. With the existence of Wonderful Indonesia, Campus Core Indonesia culture becomes more merged or integrated and created something quality change. Cultural diplomacy A. Exchange culture. Exchange culture is one from diplomacy purpose culture for increased tourist culture. This thing realized in the programs organized by the government of Indonesia, namely number one, scholarship art Indonesia culture, number two, international culture explore program, and number three, youth exchange program. Cultural diplomacy B. Exhibition. Exhibition is one from diplomacy culture in the form of festival, exhibition or show, like exhibition culture or show Indonesia arts and culture abroad. The exhibition that were followed by Indonesia were number one, Europa Art Festival Indonesia 2017, number two, International Tourism Bourse, and then number three, the Norwegian Travel Fair Reiselivsmessen 2018. Inter-country cooperation in the tourism sector. Number one, cooperation carried out by the government of Indonesia through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic Indonesia with Thailand to increase amount number visit traveler abroad to Indonesia. Number two, work some between countries ASEAN members through the ASEAN Tourism Forum or ATV is a tourism forum largest in ASEAN for discuss development and sustainability sector tourism in ASEAN region. Number three, work through sister province or sister city programs. Work through the provincial program twins or city twins can reach many aspects like tourism, education, and agriculture. Besides that, can exchange program take place culture and exchange perpetrator culture. Number four, World Heritage Twin Program World is a program for a collaborative the strength of each. Target of this program is so that tourists will come to one World Heritage, then traveler will also interest in come another World Heritage. Promotion program in World Heritage is very good because telling you to a clear target market. That's all I could lay out. My apologies for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.